Are you overwhelmed by repetitive tasks? Many business owners struggle with automation. This tutorial will show you how n8n can help. The goal is to automate tasks without writing code. First, visit the n8n website and create an account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard. You'll see an easy interface for automation. Next, identify the task you want to automate. For example, consider email notifications. Click on the New Workflow button to start. Now, add a trigger node. This node starts your automation. For instance, you could use a webhook trigger. Connect it to your preferred app. After that, add action nodes. These nodes define what your workflow will do. Select the app and the specific action. Then, connect your nodes together. This defines the flow of information. Use arrows to link the trigger and action nodes. Once your workflow is set, test it out. Click on the Play button. This helps ensure everything works smoothly. Now, save and activate your workflow. You'll see it running in the background. Enjoy your new automation. In summary, n8n simplifies task automation. You learned how to create a workflow without coding. Time to streamline your business. Try applying these steps today. Automate and focus on more important tasks.